The Association of Power Engineers, Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL, yesterday served a month deadline to fill up the vacancies and to promote junior engineers to assistant engineers. The decision was taken during the general body meeting of the association at the Sosotam Auditorium. President of the association, Arju Khar, said the vacancies should be filled up at the earliest so that field employees, be it contractual, jugali, linesmen and other field staff, are provided relief. He further informed that there are 1,600 to 1,700 contractual employees at different levels.
So, we request the government to fill up these vacancies on priority at the earliest, so that the field employees, be it the contractual, jubilee, linemen, other field staff who are there in the field, in the substation, in the power stations, are relieved of.